Hello everyone, and hi to Dr. Ahmad Zamri bin Mansour and also my fellow viewers. My name is Nurul Nashrah Azmi and I am a PhD student in University Kebangsaan Malaysia. So today in this video I'll be explaining on the research paradigm. For your information, that doing research is quite daunting, especially when you got to learn and when you have to learn a whole set of new terms. So in this video, I'll be explaining in details on the relationship between the research paradigm, the ontology, and also the epistemology. So let's get started. In the simplest terms, the following pictures describe the relationship between ontology, epistemology, and research paradigm. So what does ontology and epistemology means? Ontology means to examine the nature of reality, while the epistemology examines how you can examine reality. Ontology is interested in addressing the question, what is reality? There are several ontologies that exist. For the purpose of this video, I will use these three ontologies. Firstly, the belief that there is one single reality or truth. Secondly, the belief that there are multiple realities. And thirdly, reality is constantly negotiated, debated, or interpreted. Epistemology refers to how an individual understands knowledge, how they understand their own thinking process, and how they think others know. In other words, epistemology addresses the questions, how can I know the reality? There are also several different epistemologies that exist. For the purpose of this video, I will use these three epistemologies. Firstly, the belief that knowledge can be measured using reliable designs and tools. Secondly, the belief that reality needs to be interpreted to discover the underlying meaning. And thirdly, that knowledge should be examined using whatever tools are best suited to solve the problems. When you combine your ontology and epistemology together, you are able to get a holistic view of how you understand knowledge. This is what we mean when we refer to a research paradigm. Using the theories of ontologies and epistemologies I mentioned before, I will now show you how these combine to form the four most common research paradigms: the positivism, the interpretivism, the pragmatism, and the critical theories. For better understanding, I will explain more on the theoretical aspects of our research paradigm, the methodology aspects, and also the data analysis used in all four research paradigms. Next, I will be explaining on the ontology and epistemology theoretical aspects for all the four research paradigms. Firstly, on the ontology aspect of positivism, there is an objective reality where we can understand it through the laws by which it is governed. For the epistemology aspects of positivism, it employs a scientific discourse. For the ontology aspect of interpretivism, the world and knowledge are created by social and contextual understanding. Meanwhile, in the epistemology aspects of interpretivism, how do we come to understand a unique person's worldview? For the ontology aspects of pragmatism, the reality is the practical effects of ideas, while the epistemology of pragmatism, it's a way that leads to pragmatic solutions that is useful. For the ontology of critical theories, the reality exists and has been created by direct social bias. Meanwhile, the epistemology aspects of critical theories, it understands the oppressed view and work to change the social conditions. Methodology aspects and data analysis. For the positivism, the method used is quantitative, and the example of data analysis are the survey, the experiment, and the test. For the interpretivism, the method used is qualitative. The example of data analysis are the interview, document analysis, and also the observation. For pragmatism, it uses both quantitative and qualitative. Example of data analysis are the action research, mixed method, design-based design and development research, or also known as DDR. Last but not least, the critical theories. The method used is mainly qualitative. An example of data analysis are the participatory research, historical analysis, ideological review, and also civil actions. So viewers, once you have determined your research paradigm, you will be able to establish the approach that is best suited to the knowledge that you are interested in. This is why it is very important at the very first place that to determine your research paradigm so you could be able to develop and improve your research quality. I hope that this video will be able to make you understand more on the research paradigm. With that, much love and best of luck.